My name is Otubanjo Adewale Olaniyi. I'm a member of MMM Nigeria. By the way, what is MMM? MMM is an acronym which stands for Mavrodi Mundia Movement. It's a project that was started by Sergei Mavrodi. He started the project in the year 2001, especially for the Eastern Europe. The question we need to ask ourselves is that what is the ideology behind MMM? The ideology behind MMM is that members can actually help themselves, without going to the work. You all know about the world and fair, financial system, especially which is spearheaded by the banks and other financial system, whereby you contribute your money to the banks, and when you needed money to borrow, the bank begin to give you excuses, and the money is borrowed to the billionaires, to the millionaires, to the rich people. And so it's a great idea by Mavrodi Sergei that says that instead of masses contributing money to the bank, whereby at the end of the day you cannot get help from the bank, he came up with an idea whereby as a community of helpers we can actually provide help to ourselves. How does that happen? It's just about you coming on board with your spare money. For example, if what you can spare is 10,000 naira, a money that is just lying down in bank, whereby you can't get anything from the bank, but this principle says that you come on board, provide help for somebody, and when you do that, it's going to help you as well. You are contributing to the community, and also you are going to help yourself at the end of the day, because the money contributed is going to generate about 30% interest, so to say, at the end of the month. And so that is the ideology of MMM, to help one another, to help ourselves. And the question now we want to ask ourselves, who are we? What is the growth of MMM all over the world? Right now, MMM has over 138 million people all over the world. Yes, and it's the largest donation community, the largest helpers community, where community help themselves and give helps to each other. How does MMM works? That's the question you need to ask. How does it work? Yes, MMM works, like I said before, it's a community of people who provide help for one another. And the way it helps is that, for example, you give, like I said before, you have a, so to say, permit me to use the word, 10,000 naira, for example, somewhere in Nigeria currency, that is just lying fallow in the bank. That is just the money you can spare. Whatever money you can spare, like for example 10,000 naira or more, let's use 10,000 naira as an example. If you can spare 10,000 naira, all the system is saying you register as a participant and as a community member of MMM, then you show your willingness to help, and immediately the system, immediately you register and you provide help for somebody, the system matches you, provide for help for somebody, your money, your Mavro start counting immediately, and at the end of the month you have 30% profit, meaning that your Mavro started growing 30%. It grows 1% per day. That is the meaning. Your Mavro grows 1% per day, meaning for 30 days it grows 30 days. By the way, what is Mavro? Mavro is the internal currency of the MMM community. So your money grows 30%. Like I said before, if you provide help with 10,000 naira, it means that at the end of the month you would have generated 3,000 naira, making 13,000 naira. That is the amount that you can actually that is get from the system. What are the rules of MMM? In every organization, there must be rules that guide members. Without that, there will be, the system will not last. Number one rule that you must not have a multiple account. This is forbidden, and which is discovered. You have a multiple account, you have more than one account precisely, you will be punished for that, and the punishment is your account will be blocked, and all the accounts will be blocked. Do not share your emails, your email address, or bank details with another participant of the community. The penalty is that you will be blocked. All of you will be blocked. Number 3, rules of MMM: do not delay in payment for your order. Don't delay. Once you are matched, please pay. You be given 48 hours. Pay immediately so that you will not be blocked. Number 4 rule: do not edit your banking details or change password less than 15 days. Number 5, do not click "I refuse" more than once in a month. If you do that, your account will be blocked. Do not make deposit and fail to attach proof of payment. If you make any payment to any community member, immediately make sure you attach your proof of payment, and also do not fail to confirm your payment. Once you get help and you're matched and a community member paid into your account, please make sure you confirm that individual or the individuals that pay into your account. Do not allow your family members to PH more than you. If you do that, there's a penalty for that, except you can actually prove, the family members can actually prove with an ID card that truly he or she has the ability to PH more than you. And also, always remember to write letter of happiness. Always make sure you do that. If you don't do that, your account will be blocked. And also, last but not the least, do not enroll people just because you want to get bonus, 10% referral bonus. No, don't do that. Make sure you educate anyone that you're introducing the program to. The reason is that so that they be able to know the integrity of the program. It's not just that they start thinking maybe MMM is it's an investment scheme or it's a business scheme. No, it's a community of helpers. So there must be proper education to the people whom you are trying to introduce into the program. Once they understand the program, they understand the integrity, no matter news, noise, hullabaloo outside there, they know that they know the integrity of the program, so they will not be confused when they get outside. What are the benefits of MMM? What do you stand to benefit as a member of MMM? Number 1, one of the reasons that propelled the founder, Sergey Mavrodi, is that it will give you freedom. You have financial freedom. Number 1, financial freedom is very key. You know that everybody crave for financial freedom. So being a member of MMM community will give you the opportunity to have financial freedom. And also, being a member also affords you the opportunity to be a boss of your own. Nobody determines when you wake up. Nobody determines when you close. Nobody determines your retirement age. Nobody determines your time. You determine your time yourself. How you use your time, how you spend the days. You have time for your families. It also offers the opportunity to spend time with your family, with your kids, and with your loved ones. So those are some of the benefits you derive when you join the community. We're going to talk about, lastly, I'm going to talk about the bonuses before I stop this recording. What are the benefits you stand to gain for joining MMM? There are benefits you join. When you join MMM, at the rate, there are bonuses that you get. Number 1 bonus is, when you come in on board, you start with an amount of $50 up to like $499. We have registration bonus. In other words, we have bonuses, we have registration bonus, we have referral bonus. But registration bonus, once you come on board and you register with $50, between $50 and $499, you'll be given a registration bonus of $20, which is once. If you register between $500 to $299, you'll be given a bonus of $450. You'll be given a registration bonus of $50. And if you register with any amount $3,000 and above, your registration bonus is $100. And also we have what we call referral bonus. Referral bonus is whosoever you bring into the system through your link or through your link, so to say, you are entitled to this. You are entitled to 10% each time that individual PH and paid. You are entitled to 10%. And I'm going to stop my video here, my recording here. And so please, one thing you must know, you must always educate the people you are bringing into MMM. MMM is a fantastic program, wonderful community. It has personally helped me. I know you will regret it. It has come to stay. We have a slogan in MMA, together we change our world. Thank you very much.